body and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hand.
Hey SK, I'm Lana Duque.
And I'm Mason Strombach. We're coming to you live from the studio on another fantastic day of fall.
Speaking of fall, have you been looking for fun things to do this season?
Fall. It's a beautiful time of year, but what is there to do? Let's take a look. Jessica, what do you like doing during the fall?
Baking,
Like what?
chocolate chip cookies.
Ah. And you, how about you? What do you like to do?
I like to hang out with my friends mostly. My favorite thing to do with my friends is to play basketball outside and watch movies with like candy and soda and all that good stuff.
And how about you?
Well, for Halloween, my mom wanted us to make pumpkin seeds, but we ended up getting in a pumpkin fight instead and got super messy with pumpkin guts all over our hair and shirt. It was super fun, and then later on, we ended up making pumpkin seeds eventually.
So go out and have some fun this season.
Appreciate the beautiful season of fall by enjoying this autumn season with friends and family.
And if you're looking for more things to fill the free time on your hands, you should join a club.
Meeting today are D&D, Key,
And clubs meeting tomorrow are photography, GEMS, Skills USA Math, speech and debate, graphics, and flight.
Joining a club is a great opportunity to get involved with your community.
Speaking of clubs, Key Club is having a food drive till next Tuesday.
If you aren't designating your non-perishable foods to a teacher,
Turn them into the main office, the 300's foreign language foyer, or the 202's foyer.
attention seniors, Jostens will be here during lunches on Thursdays for graduations and Letterman jacket orders. Also seniors, please send all your senior photos, quotes, and baby pictures and information for the yearbook below. These are due no later than Monday, December 9th.
Continuing the topic of seniors, if you complete your high school and beyond plan by December 19th, you will be entered into a drawing to receive one of 2 prom tickets. Yes, you can
Win a free ticket to prom. You must complete this by the end of the day on the 19th, and winners will be announced on the 20th.
see your counselor or the Career Center to start working on it now.
Hey Lana, do you know what else you can get for free?
The warm feeling of sharing your gratitude for someone.
Are you feeling thankful for someone this fall season? Show your appreciation by coming down to the Thankful Gram table during lunch. This week on Wednesday and Friday, and next week on Tuesday. And next Tuesday, the person you wrote the gram to will receive it and will have a great start to their Thanksgiving break.
Make someone's day by showing how thankful you are for them this upcoming holiday season. Attention juniors, if you're interested in keeping the option of a 4-year college open, you should register for the SAT or ACT now for testing this spring. The local test sites fill up quickly, so register early in the Career Center or see your counselor for more information.
And finally, calling all sophomores, juniors, and seniors.
If you're interested in being a camp counselor for South Colby Elementary, come pick up an application packet in the guidance office.
Boys are especially encouraged to apply. If you have a packet already, please turn it in before this Friday.
And wrapping up the show for today,
As you saw in the beginning of the show, the wonderful world of winter sports has begun.
today at 3, ladies bowling competes against Curtis at Hydre Bowl. Best of luck to them.
And we can't wait to see what's in store for the rest of the winter sports season coming up.
Also, don't forget to bring in non-perishable food items to the Commons during your lunch for the Naked Turkey Contest.
You could see your favorite teacher wearing a turkey costume for a day.
Well, that wraps up the show for today.
Keep moving forward one day at a time.
Have an amazing day, SK.